Okay, so I finally got this post nut on, and I'm just going to tighten it up now. I've got my thin 11/32 on the inside nut and the wider one, and give this a good snug. That's nice and tight. Now just have to put this cover on. Get that started. I'll get the other one on, put the cage back. We'll turn this on and watch her glow. I've turned the breakers on, turned the switches on, and you can see they are both turning red, and I can feel the heat coming down. So they are working. That took about a half hour to replace that one element.